Coursework Master in Waste and Resources Management at the University of KwaZulu-Natal was strongly wanted by the Department of Science and Innovation and the Waste RDI roadmap, which solicited the creation of this master back in 2018. So I think that it's very important to have a master like that. In South Africa, it's the only one, in fact, because assist in developing that type of expertise that is so greatly needed to shape the decision-making process of our waste managers, of our government, in terms, of course, of creating a sustainable waste management system in South Africa, and sector in South Africa. It is relevant, very relevant to the fact that there is a need for addressing the waste crisis that we are living at the moment in South Africa and in the world. And create that expertise that immediately is employable by industry, but also, of course, by government and also by academia. So we are developing professional experts, but we are also developing scientists in waste science. Today it was an opportunity to launch the WARM program. The Coursework Master in Waste and Resources Management is called the WARM program. So the WARM program 2023 is launched today, but we decided to create a meet and greet of old students and new students. Number one, to create a network so that people can, these are professionals, these are governmental officials, there are of course lecturers in academia, and they never met each other because for the past 2 years we were constrained on online program. Therefore, we decided to have a party and to invite everyone here to meet each other and, of course, work together in the future.
Well, I think waste is important, and I think it's an underdeveloped area that really needs to be focused on. And I think what is very important about this is, I think the problem of waste is the interdisciplinarity problem. It is not only for one section of or professionals to deal with it, and I think to have different professionals being part of the program, I think makes it so important that we need to focus on that. I think we have the engineering part, but we also have the social side. So I'm very appreciative of the fact that I can be part of this process.
The greatest benefit I found from the Waste and Research program was that my value increased in the workplace. So before this, I was really struggling to get any sort of meaningful work opportunities, but from the time I've graduated, I have got many other opportunities and I've secured full-time working opportunities. So in terms of your career and your work opportunities, this program is absolutely the perfect place to be.
Well, what I can say about the benefits of the project is basically having to meet up with the industry people who are highly connected, also professional continual development that I've gained attending international seminars. I think that's one of the benefits of the project, and also having funding that is going to fund your project in order to make people understand further in terms of waste and the resource management. Thank you.